Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an ostrich egg. First, you'll need to crack it open. Given its size, roughly equivalent to 2 dozen chicken eggs, this isn't a simple task. Use a drill or a very sturdy, sharp knife to carefully make a hole. Once you have an opening, drain the entire contents into a large bowl, ensuring you get every bit of that rich, golden yolk and white. Now that you have the egg out of its shell, the culinary possibilities are vast. You can scramble it, fry it, or even incorporate it into your favorite baking recipes. A single scrambled ostrich egg can easily feed a large gathering, making it perfect for a big breakfast or brunch. If frying, ensure you have an extra-large pan to accommodate its impressive size and distribute heat evenly for a perfect cook. For a delicious scrambled ostrich egg, begin by whisking the contents thoroughly in your large bowl until the yolk and white are fully combined. Heat a generously greased, extra-large pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and stir continuously with a spatula. Cook until the egg is set but still wonderfully moist and fluffy. Finish by seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. If you prefer a fried ostrich egg, heat a very large, non-stick pan with a generous amount of oil or butter over low to medium heat. Carefully pour the entire egg into the hot pan. Cook slowly until the whites are completely set and opaque. For a more thoroughly cooked yolk, you can cover the pan for a few minutes. This method creates a truly impressive and unique fried egg experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.